Alright guys, so today we're going to do a quick install video on our very own GoPro mounts. These are the mounts that we make. They support our channel and everything we do, so first off, thank you for purchasing one of these. You're probably watching this because you scanned the QR code here on the inside of the cover. But first I'm going to go through this and kind of show you what you've got. Packing paper, it's not important. You've got one mount, you've got a couple stickers, you've got an alcohol cleaning pad, and a screw that goes for the mount. And the installation process, of course, is on the inside of the lid here. And there's a couple things that you need to know, and it's easier to explain it in a video, so that's why we're putting this together. The first kind of important thing is to figure out where the mount goes. Now in this case it's really obvious, but with certain helmet models it's not so obvious, and so you'll have to kind of figure out exactly where it goes first thing. So in this case the mount goes right about there, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the alcohol wipe pads and I'm going to clean that surface, especially if you have an older helmet that you're mounting this to. I think what you'll find is that it's pretty dirty, and that can cause it to not stick as well. So now that you've got the helmet clean and it's completely dry, what you want to do is peel off the backing from the 3M mounting tape. And then this part is kind of important because you want to get it onto the helmet all the way, and it's hard to do if you just put it in there straight because it kind of starts to stick and then you get a little bit crooked, and it doesn't always turn out well. What I like to do is I like to take it like this and I like to pull back on the mounting wings, this part of it here, to give you a little bit of extra space to get in there and mount it. So I'm going to take it, pull the wings back, and then let them seat down, and then I'm just going to take my thumbs and press it into the helmet like so. Check to make sure it's straight and all of the edges are stuck all the way down. Make sure it's not on there crooked, and voila! You have a successfully mounted WannaBes GoPro mount. One good thing to know about mounting these mounts to the helmet is that the tape tends to stick better if you've given it about 24 hours to set. I think the reason for that is that the tape tends to expand into all the little cracks and any spaces where it's not being pressed down. So if you have the time, it's better to do that maybe the night before you go riding rather than right before. Also, we do sell spare tape. So if you need to move it to a different helmet or something like that, just know that we can give you replacement tape. It's on our website. It's also on our Instagram store. So if you need to find that, just look it up there.